What's going on, guys? Doty here, back from the vlog, and today we have the Mustang, except we're just making a small change. We're updating from this wrapped carbon fiber wing, we're updating to the real deal carbon fiber wing. This right here is the new wing that we're going to be installing, completely real carbon fiber. It is used, so it does need a little bit of TLC. I think a quick polish will fix it up. It looks like it was just outside and had some hard water stuff on it, so a quick polish after we get it installed and it'll be just fine. The first step though is taking off this wrapped one, so I think we're gonna have to open up the trunk and we'll have to take off the 4 bolts that are underneath, and I'll see if this one's actually 3M'd on. So now we have the trunk open. There's a little grommet right there that I took off, and that reveals one of the bolts. And then if you take off like 3 of these little push pins, you can reveal this. Under there, there's another one. So we'll just go ahead, take that off, and we'll do the same on the other side because there are 4 total, and we'll see how easy it is to change out this wing. For those of you guys that have the stock GT wing, you can immediately just bolt on the GT 500 wing. The bolts are still the same. The only thing is, because when we did it on my mom's car, is the factory 3M tape is like really hard. So definitely use some fishing line, some pry tools. Just be careful not to damage your trunk, and maybe use some heat. I think heat would really help. So now this is off, and it is 3M'd on there. This is completely unbolted, not going anywhere. So I'm gonna grab a hair dryer, get some heat on there, and also use some fishing line while being careful not to damage the actual trunk. After doing it, my biggest tip and advice would be to just use heat and pull up on it very slowly but gradually, just building pressure. You will need a little bit of strength on this, but I got mine off now. I just need to get off all this goop. And then once I get all the goop off, I'll be able to, detail spray the trunk because it has my fingerprints all over it now. And then we'll go ahead and put on the new wing. This will all be covered by the new wing, which is sitting right here. It's all cleaned up, but as you can see, it's kind of dull, and I think it just needs a quick polish. You can see some like swirl marks right there in that reflection. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is install it. Got it all installed now. As you can see, it looks literally 0% different. It's just the real carbon. Gonna go ahead and polish it out and see how it turns out. I don't see any wiggle or anything, no gaps, so we're doing all right. I'm pretty happy with this. And let's go ahead and polish it out and get out all of that little murkiness. Hopefully all that can be polished out. This is after one pass. As you can see, it got quite a bit clearer. Look at the reflection now. You can see the little garage door opener really clear, versus if we come over here, this is not hit. So I did like halfway. You can just see how foggy and just blurry this little reflection gets, and you can see scratches. So watch this. Boom. It's like foggy line. I just did one line right there. So this is why it's really important to have a polisher, and this is also why my paint always looks so good. It's because I polish off at least once or twice a year any of the scratches or swirl marks or anything like that. And that's what keeps my paint looking like this rather than this. So just that extra depth really goes the extra mile. I'm just gonna finish it up, go ahead, polish everything up, put a layer of protectant wax on there, probably the butter wax from Liquid X, and then I'll go ahead, roll it outside, and show you guys in the sun. So we're running out of light, so I took it to a nearby store just to give you guys a better idea of what it looks like. But it pretty much all looks the exact same. The only major difference is that it's real carbon, has that depth, and other than that, it all looks the exact same, even from the side and everything. The only thing too is that there isn't a gurney. Maybe I'll get the carbon one that's like, it comes up like this and it's a little bit more aggressive, but we'll see. Right now I'm very happy because I have the carbon there, and now I have the carbon here. Really the only thing that I have that's carbon but it's not really carbon is the center console, but that's Hydrogip. You guys seem to really love that, and it's really expensive to find the carbon piece. I don't even know if it's an actual piece or if it's an overlay, but maybe in time I'll get that. Like I said, I always just want to carbon everything out. I'm really satisfied. The only thing is, definitely use some heat. Take your time if you're removing the stock wing or another GT 500 wing, and then just make sure whenever you get the carbon one, or if you buy mine or something like that, that you put it on with all 4 bolts. Make sure you polish it, keep it really good, and that way it'll always look great on your car. Everything else is looking really good. I do have more Doty stickers being made right now, including different colors like this yellow. So if you guys want to match me with the yellow, I'll have those available. Different colors coming on the way, so those are getting made as we're speaking. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I just wanted to get this piece of carbon on there. All the carbon is coming together, and I just keep adding more and more. Got this one for a great deal, so mine's gonna be up for sale. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see if I can record something with some exhaust, because I haven't been giving you guys much of that lately. don't know how we're gonna do it one-handed, but. Really tough, but at least you guys see the end gauge. Harder than I was expecting, can't lie. All right, now, peace out. I'll see you guys next time.